Hello and welcome guys to Sonic the Hedgehog, and in this video we're going to talk about, again, nuclear diamond, the nuclear diamond battery bullshit. So, NDB launched another gimmick across the internet, which is their 1.5 volt battery. And if we have a further look, you can see that it's a modular power bank. You've got the sort of nuclear waste type compartment, and you've got a supercapacitor, and you can get a AA battery which can be 1.5 volts, 3 volts, 4 volts, and 6 volts. Wow. Well, let's start debunking their page, because they are really starting to bug me out. So, home. We are there. So, we already talked. So, what is an NDB? NDB or non-diamond battery is an innovative technology. Yes, we read this. So let's start. Company. Unlock new value with NDB. Our company. NDB Incorporated is a Silicon Valley-based nanotechnology company established to develop and manufacture semiconductors, energy, and battery solutions. There's nothing wrong with that. NDB imagines things that others don't. We believe in our abilities and products while developing solutions that are unmatched in the market. Dr. Nima Kosharifi, CEO and founder. The nuclear diamond battery is just bullshit, alright. Responsibility. As an energy company, NDB is aware of its responsibilities. This applies to policies, relationships, blah, 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 blah. No one's interested in that. Flexibility. We constantly adapt our innovations and technology according to the market's needs. Therefore, we aim to provide energy to various devices and mechanisms. You're not going to provide energy to any devices or mechanisms with a 100 microwatt battery. That's just ludicrous. Expertise. We continuously monitor the markets with our deep domain expertise to reduce technical risks. When required, we employ new business models to improve and succeed when innovative technologies are needed. Yes, you use your fancy stuff to only beam out bullshit. Profitability, cost effectiveness. We ensure that the products we launch and the services we provide generate revenue or exceptional benefit over their life cycle for all our customers and stakeholders involved in the process. Bullshit. I mean, like, sure, but if you're going to make a battery out of nuclear waste and diamonds are one of the most expensive materials. Okay. Eco-friendly alternatives. We develop and manufacture highly innovative, clean, green energy solutions for the future by recycling thousands of tons worth of nuclear waste globally. Since when is a battery constructed out of nuclear wastes as eco-friendly? I mean, sure, the idea of basically recycling nuclear waste is eco-friendly. I get that. But a nuclear diamond battery isn't eco-friendly. And that's even funnier when you look right here. It says radioactive. And even C14, class 14. That's quite bad. Oh my god, it's starting to get, again. Social accountability. NDB is aware that we are stronger together and we rise by lifting each other. Therefore, NDB always takes society into account in every decisions taken. I don't know much about this company, but I know that they are bullshits. Okay. Our values. As a next generation energy company, our goal is to contribute effectively to better tomorrow with our innovation success, allowing us to create unmatched energy solutions. So, our innovative success. You mean your innovative success is a bullshit battery, or lies? I can't think what's worse: a lying company or millions of dollars stolen every day. Jeez, allowing us to create ambition. NDB aims to become a leader in wide range of innovative sectors such as energy, electronics, and space. Their ambition is to create bullshit, I would say. Technology leadership, be innovate and create new solutions for a better future. Yes, a bullshit is for better future. maybe for people to laugh. Our actions will be all diversity. Our actions will be only successful with the wise use of all resources, experiences, and knowledge from co-workers and partners. Achievements. We learn from our mistakes. Learn from your fucking mistake that you made a bullshit claim. Like, and nuclear diamond battery is bullshit. Just think of that. To implement a continuous improvement process within NDB to achieve more with unlimited innovation. Innovation isn't unlimited. You will find a rock bottom where you suck out all the technologies. Like, you should learn from your mistakes and stop making bullshit claims. Like, technology, okay. NDB battery. NDB cells, self-charging. Bullshit! There is no battery in the world or no technology that's self-charging more than thermohydraulics and hydrogen. And that's insanely expensive, and it's a prototype, and it's highly explosive. Enough distractions, let's start reading. NDB, fuck off! What is going on? Hey, what? NDB is one of the earliest highlighting. NDB is one of the earliest adapters and developers of atomic voltaic cells for mid and high power applications. 100 microwatts is a high power application? Jeez. The self-charging battery produces stable power by converting the energy released from radioactive decay into usable energy throughout its lifetime, which is generally many years. They claim 28,000 years on every fucking website. That's really like bullshit. Nuclear batteries have been around for some time, but they are limited to low power applications and due to their efficiency. If you say your most powerful battery is 100 microwatts, then you're also stuck at a low power. Low power applications. NDB optimizes this technology for high power applications. We propose to really use nuclear fuel by recycling it to extract radioisotopes. Radioisotopes. Okay, so this is actually a good claim to recycle this, but high power application? Since when? High power applications use 100 microwatts to power them. High power is like megawatts and kilowatts, like that. Yeah. Isotopes from recycled nuclear waste or a reactor release a high level of energy particles that can be transformed into usable energy. If you use a really complex thermohydraulic method, of course you can. But yep, that's actually true. They radiate a lot of energy. Alright, applications, yep. Data center. Across the world, people rely on data centers to save their important documents and valuable memories to serve them in a trustable way. Yes, if there isn't a hacker. NDB can provide data centers with power independent from local power sources. In case of interruptions in energy, data centers would continue to power computers. Bullshit! You know how much current does a server draw? 200 amps nominal. 100 microwatts, okay. So let's say, so you want to count the maximum current, right? So 100 microwatts equals 1 watt. So if this battery is, for example, we're gonna go with 5 volts. So 5 times 1 volt equals 5 watts. Now, what if this battery was, for example, like, I don't know, 12 volts. So 12 times 1, 12 watts. Like, and do you know how much, and servers are normally powered by 12 volts. So how much is 12 times 200? That's 2.4 kilowatts. That's quite far from 1 watt. That's 2,400 watts. Yep. Industries. NDB's technology, safety, power output, safety? Radioactive batteries are safe? Since when? Power output and universal universality makes it an ideal industrial partner, including those challenging to implement. Data centers, remote locations, and hostile environment applications of NDB make it an outstanding promise for productivity and futuristic applications. Only if it wasn't a bullshit. Consumer electronics. With NDB, your devices, including smartphones or laptops, can contain a miniature power generator, thus negating the need for constant charging. Benefits include power outlet independent devices, increased device computation power, and even the opportunity to risk personal quantum computing, all while delivering a cost-effective solution to countering declining sales for manufacturers. Cost effective. Do you know how expensive is nuclear waste? It's as expensive as a Boeing 787, for example. No Boeing 787, but for example, a Boeing 717. It's expensive as that. Just search Boeing 717 costs. Yep, it costs as an airplane, pretty much, like a ton of that material. Okay, benefits include power outlet independent devices. That would be neat, but it's bullshit. Increased device computation power. Bullshit. Like there's like device computation power relies on the power of the actual processor, as well as the actual like speed of the memory, as well as the power of the graphics card. Yeah, it isn't one of the great things ever. And personal quantum computing. Quantum computing is just marine. NDB can act as a power source for ships and boats when they are far from port for a long time. NDB technology is suitable for environments with water and salt. It does not face problems as lithium-ion batteries do, since energy collection depends on the isotope. What if the nuclear waste gets released into? Am I recording? Yes. What if the nuclear waste gets released into the water? Like nuclear waste explodes, remember, when you put it into salty water. Yep, and I really want to see the automotive. A new generation of batteries allows us to reach a new stage in electric vehicle revolution. Electric vehicles are bullshit as well. It's just terrible thing, pushing the industry into never seen before indicators of efficiency and longevity. Bullshit. NDB is ready to contribute and lead change in this industry by addressing the bottlenecks in e-vehicles, the battery and mileage duration. 100 microwatts is gonna go into power your Tesla for long, sure. Aviation, my favorite topic. As we proceed, drones are becoming part of our ecosystems. Drones aren't aviation. You're talking about airplanes, geez. NDB's technology further improves the radical shift towards extended mission drones and aircraft's environment. We plan to substitute oil and petrol-based planes with a cleaner solution of NDB, closing the green circle related to people and goods transportation. Oil and petrol-based planes? There is no way an electric duct fan is gonna lift a multi 100 ton Boeing 787. You need jet engines in order to fly. And 100 microwatts avionics, man. I want to see the altimeter just go dahoo when the battery runs out, when your 100 microwatts runs out. Medical technology, in situ medical devices and implantables such as hearing aids and pacemakers. I don't want a pacemaker or a cardio stimulator inside me powered by nuclear waste. Imagine that's the same as eating radioactive material like yttrium, for example. Having yttrium inside of you could be pretty bad. Can benefit from extended battery life in a smaller package with the added benefit of safety and longevity. 100 microwatts is not going to last long. Quantumaro. We don't have to talk about this in space. Yeah, we won't talk about this, but it's the same bullshit again. NDB voltaic cell, blah 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 blah. NDB combines an emitter. NDB combines an emitter, an NDB-T1 transducer, and a collector that forms an ohmic and Schottky contact. That sounds so shitty. Like, ohmic and Schottky contact are two different things. Like, it's bullshit. Different dopants enhance the structure. The energetic radiations released from radioactive decay scatter and deposit energy into the transducing elements. The isotope, together with the host, generates electricity on its own. Since when radioactive waste generates electricity? Several single units are attached to create a stack arrangement. These make a positive and negative contact surface similar to a standard battery system. Yep. I think I had enough. Let's have a look at more NDB pictures. Tesla NDB 28,000 years. Well, they aren't. 28,000 years is just such a bullshit claim. There you go. Here's your 100 microwatts. There goes the structure of one. That's actually only a nuclear battery, not nuclear diamond battery. My God. Now, nuclear batteries are a thing. If I find something here, if I find what I'm talking about here, you're gonna see nuclear batteries are a thing. They have been around for a while. Let me just find and show you. Here's the NDB bullshit claiming team. I would call this bullshit embedded battery. I'm actually going to use this for the thumbnail picture. This is what I'm talking about. Nano tritium battery, City Labs. This is actually a real thing. Look, nano tritium battery. These are a real thing. Yes, these little nano tritium batteries, these are a thing and are a really good source of energy, but a low current, it's like 1 watt as well, but jeez. Look. This is how they work. So yes. That's it. I hope you liked the video and learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.